Stock price of Asian Paint has down 37% from its top level, and since past 4 years, the stock price of Asian Paint has been struggling. We will look what are the major reasons and challenges currently company facing, and because of that the stock price is not moving. Hey everyone, my name is Hariom and you're watching Trading with Hariom. Asian Paint is the largest home decor company in India, over 80 years of legacy, and has a major brands like Asian Paint, Berger, Epco, etc. under its umbrella. The company is into wall paint, wall covering, waterproofing, texture painting, modular kitchen, lightings, adhesive, etc. The company has 3 business verticals. First one is Decorative Business, which covers 84% of revenue. Second one is International Business, which covers 7% of revenue. And the third one is Industrial Business, which covers 9% of revenue. Under the Decorative Business, the company offers interior and exterior wall finishing, wood finishing, enamels, adhesive, etc. And under the Home Decor, they offers wardrobe, bath finishing, sanitary wear, etc. Bath wear contributes 4% of total decorative business. Under the international business, they serve 60 plus countries for the same. Under the industrial business, the company operates in industrial coating segments through 50-50 joint venture with PPG Industries. It offers custom formulated products for automotive and industrial sectors, including automotive, marine and packaging coating. They are having top class brands include Asian Paint, SCIB Paint, Epco Coatings, Asian Paints Berger, Taub Main, Asian Paints Causeway, Ketsko, Asian Paint, Weather Seal, etc. Under the geographical revenue split, Asia covers 38% of revenue, Middle East covers 37% of revenue, Africa covers 22% of revenue, and the South Pacific covers 3% of revenue. The company is largest paint company in the India, second largest in the Asia, and 8th largest in the world. Currently, they enjoys 55% of market share in organized domestic market, 60% in home decor, and 20% in automotive segment. The company has 17 manufacturing facilities outside India and 18 manufacturing facilities within India, and they are having also 28 outsourced processing centers, and as of Q1 FY25 the total installed paint capacity of 22 lakh kiloliter per year. The company is also aggressive about capacity expansion. In FY23 the company announced total investment of 8,750 crore over the 3 years for the capacity expansion. Now we talk about the financial performance of Asian Paint. In trailing 12 months, the company has generated 34,500 crore of net profit, which is slightly reduced by 1.86% as compared to FY24's revenue of 35,500 crore. Despite this dip, the company has delivered 5 years CAGR of 13% in revenue, showcasing its ability to navigate the short-term challenges. Net profit for TTM is 4,631 crore, which reflecting a decline of 16% as compared to the previous year. However, the company maintains a net profit margin of 19%, which is highest among the paint industries. Asian Paint has a debt to equity ratio of just 0.14, while the total debt stands at 2,500 crore, which is manageable. Asian Paint command a P of 45 versus industry P of 37. If we talk about the shareholding patterns, 80% shareholding holds by strong shareholders and 20% holds by weak shareholders. In my live investing video, I showed that I bought some stock of Asian Paint, and in the future if I find opportunity, then definitely I will add some more. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Now the question is why the stock price of Asian Paint is down 37% from its top level. Asian Paint faces challenges from volatile raw material prices, particularly crude oil derivatives, which impact margins. Increasing competition in decorative paint segment has intensified pricing pressures. Additionally, slowing demand in the real estate sector and a shift in consumer preference pose hurdles to sustain growth. Now we talk about the technical chart pattern of Asian Paint. The stock price of Asian Paint has been struggling since past 5 years, and it is trading at the level of COVID level. Stock price has been trading between the range of 2,700 and 3,300 rupees. However, the stock price has down 15% from its lower range of 2,700 rupees. Whenever I find opportunity, I will do my business. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Do your own due diligence before taking any action. I am not a SEBI registered RA. Please take this video as a study purpose. We will back in next video. Till time, like, share and subscribe my video. Happy investing.